Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. ADA has broken out of this channel to the downside now, but we are still holding the so-called bull market support area that we have here on the chart, which is between 32.2 cents and 54.2 cents. So we're holding support and we can still keep the current scenarios, that we've been tracking for the last few weeks and months. Actually, we can keep these scenarios alive for now. The Kraken chart here shows a significant swing low potentially formed around 42.5 cents on the 10th of October. This is obviously the low that you guys know about already. A lot of different exchanges show different low points. I spent the last few weeks explaining again and again that different exchanges show different levels here. 27.8 cents on Binance and Kraken, for example, 42 cents. And also that we can't really trust the data. So look, if we for example break below the 10th of October low, well, that would be invalidation for a bullish 1-2 setup, for example, on the Kraken chart, not on Binance. So what do we trust, right? So it's a bit of a problem. Therefore, as long as we don't really see any significant upside reversal signals, I remain focused on the downside. You know that over the last few days, we talked extensively about the downside pressure that we see on the chart, that there's no real upside impulse yet. And I will show you that again on the smaller time frame, because now we've reached targets on the smaller time frames. So we'll take a look at how price action can unfold from there. Here at the moment, I mean, it remains my view that without a break above this trend line, which is currently coming in around 92 cents, there is no significant low confirmation. If we follow the pathway higher, then once we have a low in place and we break out above that 92 cent level, that trend line, the market can still get to $1.79 plus. But I haven't got any low confirmation, right? So pressure remains downward. And remember what for Bitcoin, I mean, the idea is that we're dealing with 5-wave sequences to the downside. And this is not an environment where altcoins, are gonna, thrive. From the beginning of the bull market, I've been highlighting once Bitcoin forms a top, and whether that's a substantial top, a bull market top, or just sort of, a medium-term top, short-term top, the altcoins are going to follow, regardless of where they are in their relevant cycles. It's important. It's one of those wisdom pieces I've repeated again and again. Now, anyway, in the last update, and I wrote the last member update on Friday, the idea was that the price was up here, I think, Friday. Yep, you received these on Discord, and I said the price is still moving towards the support zone in wave 2. 55.6 cents to 48.6 cents is an ideal target for wave C of 2. The 1-2 setup remains speculative for now, and we are now in this target area. And it remains a speculative 1-2 setup, which means we have a potential impulse up, yep, and the wave 2 down, possible, yeah. But we haven't got a low in yet, and it's speculative because I don't have a real start. Where did it really start? Was the real start the Binance low or the Kraken low or whatever? So this support area is speculative. I'm tracking downside at the moment until I see a first micro 5-wave move up above resistance. That would be a signal that maybe this entire correction is over. And 57.6 to 60.7 cents is our micro resistance area, and I need a break above 60.7 cents as an indication that a low has actually formed. So yeah, that should give you all the relevant levels here to watch. By the way, the next support levels are at around 51.9, 51.2, and 48.6 cents. That's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel. I leave a link in the comment section. Guys, there are a lot of additional updates, video updates here. I shared, for example, videos about Ethereum and Bitcoin here today on X that explain to you the structures that are relevant for the week and the parameters, support and resistance. And I will keep updating based on these. So feel free to check it out. As I said, I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.